Hi there, I'm Erica. Did you know that 27% of shoppers abandon their carts due to a long or complicated ordering process? A well-designed order form can not only enhance the user experience but also significantly boost conversion rates. Today, let's take your online shop to the next level with Jodoo. I'll share 3 tips on how to improve user experience, brand your form, and engage your customers. Let's get started. First, be aware that complex checkout processes can drive customers away. Make your order form effortless to fill out. Adapt the flow based on the data they share. BigCommerce reported that advanced features like logic rules can improve user experience by 30%. On the Jodoo form design page, set up conditional logic with field display rules to show or hide fields based on user input. For example, you can automatically skip the repeated filling out of the shipping address if a customer confirms it is the same as the billing address. In fact, as researched by Epsilon, 80% of consumers are more likely to do business with a company that offers personalized experiences. Make your checkout more innovative and interactive. Secondly, building up consistent branding to improve recognition by 80%. Customize your forms to reflect your brand's colors, logos, and style, creating a cohesive customer experience. On the form design page, go to Form Public Link Style under Form Properties. You can change your form theme by choosing your own colors or picking one of many ready-made themes. Edit the custom styles to help customers associate those elements with your product and the business. Build customer trust and recognition with your brand's identity, then embed forms smoothly onto the web and email. Lastly, engagement is key to retaining customers. HubSport's report mentions that personalized thank you messages can increase customer retention by up to 25%. Jodoo's order forms allow you to add personalized thank you messages and automated notifications to keep your customers informed and appreciated. On the extension page, go to the result page to set up your custom thank you message for your customers. Say a few kind words and add an image to creatively thank customers who have trusted you and spent their time. Try offering a special coupon for the next product order to elevate your customer care, or even encourage your customers to join you on social network groups using the custom thank you page after they complete an order. A little appreciation goes a long way. This small touch can lead to big returns in customer loyalty and repeat business. In addition to these 3 tips, you can further enhance your form with other Jodoo features. Transparency builds trust and satisfaction. As shown in Salesforce stats, 76% of consumers expect regular updates on their orders. Use formulas to calculate costs in real time so customers always know exactly how much your product or service will cost. You can also get actionable insights in the Jodoo dashboard to make more profits. With a glance, you would know which product needs more inventory and where to place your stock. Looking at this sample dashboard, you might want to consider setting up the warehouse in California, where a higher percentage of your buyers are located. These features not only enhance usability but also boost customer satisfaction. Most importantly, they are all free. You can start building your online business now at no cost with Jodoo. To help you get started more efficiently, Jodoo has prepared a free-to-install template that is user-friendly, customizable, and printable. You can install it, import your product list with Excel with a click, and start your business right away. In the description, we have attached the link to install this template and a detailed guide to create your product order form. If you have any questions about what we shared or have another topic or template you're interested in, leave a comment to let us know, or scan this code to join our community and share with us. For more useful resources to make profitable online forms, subscribe to our channel. And let Jodoo be your best partner in building your online business. This is Erica, look forward to talking with you.